Yo guys, back to the channel and let's check out the OnePlus 13T, which was launched in China. At first when I saw the specs of the OnePlus 13T, I thought, what? It only has a dual camera system with no ultra-wide lens, no wireless charging, no ultrasonic fingerprint unlock, the USB is at 2.0 and it's only IP65 rated. What are you doing, OnePlus? This is the worst 6.3-inch phone I've ever seen. But wait, when I noticed that the official price is $100 cheaper than the Xiaomi 15s, well, I actually felt this phone isn't so bad after all for what it offers. It looks quite sleek and is using the top-tier processor, plus they managed to fit a battery over 6000 mAh into such a smartphone. I'm sure there will be people who think this is their dream phone. When I saw the OnePlus 13T for the first time, I had a strong sense of deja vu. It reminded me a lot of other phones. If you select the Xiaomi 15 in the hand, it operates like the awful fine X8s from the side. It resembles the iPhone 16 and from the back it looks like there are Mi 11 from years ago. Even their slightly thicker button bezel reminded me of the Vivo X200 Pro Mini, for example. I'm not sure if this is a good or bad thing, but one thing is certain. The build quality is excellent. Despite its affordable price, it still uses a frosted aluminium frame and a frosted glass. It feels more premium than you expect. The smaller camera module with a reduced end protrusion is placed in the top left corner. It is the out of your fingers touch whether you are left or right-handed, which is good. OnePlus T series has always been marketed for its powerful performance, which is why they have Snapdragon Elite in it. Personally, I think the Dimensity 9400 Plus might have been a better choice. After all, the 13T doesn't need the top-tier ISP. A MediaTek chip could have lowered the cost, making the 13T even more appealing. But the Elite in the 13T is a luxury. My friend got his OnePlus 13T at a pop-up event where they organized a mobile gaming tournament under the midday sun. The fact that the OnePlus is there with the two hosts and the outdoor esports game tests their confidence in the 13T. It does perform better than the other compact AED phones. The frame rates and power efficiency outperform the Xiaomi 15 and its temperatures are shockingly low. It's hard to believe that this is the gaming performance of a 6.3-inch phone, but the 13T game excellence isn't just about hybrid rates and low temperatures. It's also packed with gaming-centric features like a bypass charging AI, assisted controls frame and a super resolution. Usually reserved to the forward-dedicated gaming phones among the phones in this size. The 13T is the only one that offers all those features at once, making it a gaming experience, one of the strongest among the new phones recently. Regarding battery, it reaches 28% in 10 minutes and 82% in half an hour. A full charge takes 52 minutes, not the fastest, but more than adequate, and with a 6260 or 6160 battery capacity is not just adequate, it's more than enough. Silicon battery are truly impressive, allowing compact phones to pack such a large batteries, even surpassing most flexibility models. If you don't play games, you can easily get a full day without charging. It leaves a little to complain about except for the awkwardly low fingerprint sensor position. The thick bottom bezel could also use improvement, especially since its sibling-defined X8s sends a higher bar, let's say, with its ultra-slim chin making the 13T design less striking in comparison. It has two cameras, a 24mm main camera and a 49mm telephoto camera. The main camera handles steady photography. Most of the time in daylight you can usually snap a decent photo without much effort. Nighttime photos are passable, roughly on par with a 250 phone, assuming you don't care about video, because the video recording is terrible, unless mounted on a tripod. Focus hunting is constant and low-light video quality is awful. Then there's the 2x teleporter, usually daylight and even at 4x zoom is tolerable, but at night the flow shows. No OIS means a frequent blur, even in moderately lit places like subway stations. The front-facing camera maxed out at 30 fps. If it's a 400 phone, I can accept this camera performance, but unfortunately it is a 460 $500 in China. People are generally not very satisfied with the OnePlus 13T, although we mentioned at the beginning that the 13T is $100 cheaper than the Xiaomi 15. That's only based on the official price. Xiaomi 15 has already been on sale for 6 months, and this price has dropped significantly on third-party platforms. Compared to the OnePlus 13T, it's not only about 50 more expensive, it will be missing out one extra camera, wireless charging, and ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, an IP68 rating, and USB 3.0. Sure, the OnePlus 13T has a large battery, but it seems like that's the only thing it can really boast about. Well, those were my opinions. What do you see, guys? Do you like this phone? Would you import it? Let me know your views in the comments below. Guys, if you watched till here, thanks. That's my informative video for today. Please consider subscribing, as it comes free for you, but it encourages and helps my research. Also, please like and share. And until the next time, guys, take care of yourselves and each other. See ya.